Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sayatan Buresha, and I'm really excited about today because I'm going to do a small makeover in my bedroom. Small changes here and there. I'm excited, and guys, I can't wait to see how it will turn out. And I haven't been having the storage where to store my clothes, nini nini. But guys, also I don't intend to moving out because I have a business in my space. This house is still where I store my stuff. I work from home basically, and you guys, I don't intend to moving out because girl, it's comfortable for me here. Yeah, and I'm happy. A guy is doing my closet. He's here, he's calling. Let me pick his call and I'll show you the before and after and the process and all that jazz. Anyway, see you in a bit. Guys, I've moved the stuff. Here, this is the space. Here's the space now. Can't wait. Yeah, I'm excited, very excited. Tepe ambao. Guys, here are the progress. Here we go. Here we go. Like, girl, they've forgotten some stuff they're going to pick, but so far, so good. Like, girl, I'm happy. I'm excited, y'all. Guys, this is a final result. This is all we've got. There's a holder inside, but look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, me the small things excites me, so I don't know about you, but me, I am happy. Me as Sayatron as me, I'm happy. Yeah. Guys, I'm already starting to arrange my new closet because I'm excited. I had a few hangers. I know I need to add more, but in the meantime, I'll work with what is available. Hi guys, so this is the following day. This is how it came out. I tried arranging clothes, dresses, jackets, nini, vitabu, my small body care, my home clothes and some tops, and then my cover, nini, bed sheets, nini. And then I have some space here for my jeans or trousers to hang them there. But I don't have hangers because I went to the mall to try and look for the ones I want, as Zico, and even the small organizing baskets. I tried looking for them, they're not there. But I think I'll go and get them at House of Leather. But in the meantime, guys, I'm excited. I didn't have space for storage basically. Guys, I'm really happy how it turned out. And you guys, I only sent that guy deposit at night, and then by 10 they were here doing their thing. So I highly recommend him. His name is Paul. I'll put his number on the description box. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you.